When I bought the toy, he wasn't having ear problems.
Huh?
So, but after we named him Buhari, after like some months, the dog started developing.
Follow Nigeria.
No, I believe by the time we take him.
On name your dog Buhari my name. Hey, you see now they want to go all on fire. Oh, never know, friend. Okay. Ben pension era no know what they now. Okay, don't see.
You currently do not have sufficient credit to complete this call. Dial *321# to borrow credit and complete your call.
So this can anshift. This can anshift a day for everywhere. It is my government. It is one I see affecting me too. Hey, Buhari, you are a serious. Let me go and use my other SIM card. But this thing self. No, company I do this for. Hello? See, don't tell me. See, if you tell me, sir, for here, I tell you to jail. If you hear somebody in news, no, I hear it. No, I watch it. No, inside television, I see it. Somebody I'm calling Buhari a dog. Somebody inside Ogun State, you call me. Buhari, the name and dog, or the name after me and dog. The name after me and dog. Buhari. What are you doing? Why are you Inspector General? Why are you every police officer? Why are you Nigerian Police Armed Forces? Why are you Commissioner? Why are you doing all this thing? You never arrest them. They are still living. Okay, you want to talk to living then so. Okay, you will talk to living then so. No. If you never arrest the boy, that boy or the man never know. Carry on the family. Carry warrior, sorry, carry on the dog. No, turn my hair upside down. You understand? Carry yourself and report to police station. No. Jail, all of you. You couldn't do you pull yourself for jail by yourself because you are not doing your work. You don't like Colossus. Yeah. I don't see. Credit.